everybody, welcome back to Totally Relaxed. Jim here. For those of you who have never been here before, welcome to the channel, and I hope you hang around a while and watch some of my videos and hopefully become a member of our happy little family here. Anyway, the last video I made about what I'm going to talk about today, y'all saw me at the range with my neighbor Todd, and mostly him shooting, and you saw a little bit of my target that I shot at, but I didn't really show you anything about my gun, which I bought in May of this year, a Springfield Hellcat Pro, which is this bad boy right here. And just so you know, it is empty. There's nothing in the chamber. So now that that's out of the way, anyway, a little bit about this gun. Like I said, it is a Hellcat Pro by Springfield. It's a 9mm. It came with two 15-round magazines. It weighs 21 ounces. The length of it is 6.6 inches long. The height of it is 4.8. It is a striker fire, and I really like it. It shoots real well. So, you know, when I first moved onto this property 11 years ago, my landlady, you know, she's retired Houston police. My neighbor next door, Jim Smith, y'all seen him on that video I made about my solar generator. He's retired, 30-year retired captain of Harris County Sheriff Department. And then the neighbor down the road, Todd, y'all saw in the video, he's got guns all over his house, you know, so. And I always wondered, well, I can't believe these people are such gun crazy. Well, then I buy a gun, and now I understand why, because I'm going to be that way myself. So, but anyway, I've been looking at holsters, and I bought a few holsters, and I've sent a few holsters back, and I just received today a double holster combo and some extra parts I ordered from a company down in South Texas, down there in the valley, a company named Bravo. I'll show those to you here in just a minute. But anyway, you know, I've been watching, of course, you know, I am a licensed firearm carrier of Texas. I can carry my gun across state line, loaded on my hip, cocked and ready to fire. So I'm legal. I hope I never have to pull it for protection. I hope that never happens. I hope it never happens. I pray it never happens. But you know, you never know. At any rate, so I've been looking at holsters and watching videos on YouTube about different scenarios, just everything to do with guns. I've just been gun crazy, like my neighbor and my landlord and all the rest of them. But anyway, then I got a hankering. I got tired of looking at holsters, and I decided I want another gun. Now the Hellcat, like I said, it comes with 15 rounds. Oh, let me grab the right one. And as you can see, when I got it, my pinky comes right to the bottom of the magazine right here, which is fine, you know. And but considering that I'm going to be carrying it for concealed carry, for those of you who don't know what that means, it means hidden underneath my clothes. I wanted something a little bit smaller, so I started looking at Sig Sauers, and of course, you know, the household name for guns anymore, Glock. My next door neighbor, Jim Smith, he's got Glocks, and my neighbor Todd's got Glocks, and of course my landlady, all she has is Sig Sauers. So, and I looked at those and I thought, you know, they're nice and all that, but I know this Springfield inside and out. I mean, I can take this thing apart, and it comes out apart in 3 pieces and put it back together and all that jazz. I've shot it enough. I know what it does. And so I thought, well, you know, I'm looking for a subcompact. So what did I buy? I bought this bad boy. Yep. I bought another Hellcat, the original. This is the original. Okay, just so you'll know. This one's empty as well. Nothing in the chamber. So anyway, this is how they look side by side. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see this, but as you can tell, the one in my left hand is the original, and the other one is the Pro. Now, what I found out, now this gun, the original, came with 2 mags. It came with 11 round and a 13 round. But I found out, playing with it and goofing around with it, it'll take the 15 round. But also have another cartridge, another magazine that covers that chrome up. So, but anyway, and I have shot the 15 rounds through this gun, and it works just as well as the Pro. But anyway, I just wanted to show those to you because, like I said in the video with Todd, all y'all saw was him shooting primarily, and you saw my targets, what I blasted into it. But today, now this is the holster that I bought originally when I bought my Hellcat Pro back in May. It's what they call a IWB holster, which stands for inside the waistband, and it works quite well. You know, looks good in there and all that. And this is how it looks with my original Hellcat. I mean, it works great. But today the other day I ordered a combo pack of 2 holsters. This is what they call a paddle holster. It also is a IWB inside the waistband. And this one goes on the outside of your waistband, which your belt goes through, you know, right here. Anyway, I've got several holsters. I mean, if you're a gun collector and you're involved in guns, you're gonna buy a lot of holsters. I didn't think I would, but yeah, I've done it too. So, but anyway, I just want to show these to you and basically say hello. Hope everybody's doing well, and I hope y'all are cooler than we are here in Houston, because I'll tell you what, we've been in a drought since I would say April of this year, and man, it's been brutal. It rained, I think, maybe 4 times for about an hour each time since April. Needless to say, we're hot. It's dangerous. And poor Lake Mead over there in Nevada over there, I mean, gee, that lake's about gone. It's really sad what's happening to it, but you know, it is what it is. But anyway, I just want to touch base with y'all, like I said, and say hello, and haven't made a video in a while, and I got a hankering to make one. By the way, I want to show you something. Check it out. Yeah, I did have one of my t-shirts printed up. But anyway, y'all take care. Have a great evening, or whatever time you see this. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye now.